Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to write a formal letter titled Request for Investment Portfolio Summary. Whether you're reviewing your assets for planning purposes, preparing for a financial meeting, or just staying on top of your investments, this letter is a great tool to keep communication with your financial advisor professional and clear. Let's break it down section by section, following the exact format of the letter template. Sender's information. The letter starts with your personal details at the very top. This includes your full name, your street address, city, state, zip code, your email address, and your phone number. Here's how that would look. Your full name, your street address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section is important because it gives the advisor all the details they might need to identify your account or to reach you for follow-up. Make sure everything here is accurate and up-to-date, especially the email and phone number. Date. Next, we include the date right after your contact information. This marks the day you're submitting your request. It's a small detail, but it's critical, especially when financial records and time-sensitive data are involved. Always make sure to use the proper date format for your country and make sure it's the actual day you plan to send the letter. Recipient's details. Now we move on to the person you're writing to, your financial advisor. You'll list their full name, the name of the investment firm, and the office address. Financial advisor's name, investment firm name, office address, city, state, zip code. This helps the letter look more official and ensures it reaches the right person. If you're unsure of your advisor's full name or office branch address, it's worth taking a moment to look it up, especially if your firm has multiple locations. Subject line. After the recipient's information, we include a subject line. This is a brief summary of why you're writing the letter. Subject: Request for Investment Portfolio Summary. Keep this direct and formal. The goal is to quickly convey the purpose of the letter. Anyone reading this subject line should instantly understand what the request is about. Salutation. Next up is the greeting. Dear Financial Advisor's name, using their full name, adds a professional tone. If you're unsure whether to use Mr. or Ms., just use their full name without a title to avoid any mistakes. This keeps it respectful and polished. Opening paragraph. Purpose of the letter. Let's dive into the body of the letter. The first paragraph introduces the reason for your letter and clearly states your intent. I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to formally request an updated summary of my investment portfolio currently managed under my account number or client ID, with your firm. This paragraph does a couple of things. First, it opens with a polite greeting, which adds warmth. Then it gets right to the point. You're requesting a portfolio summary. Including your account number or client ID here helps the advisor immediately locate your records. It avoids confusion and speeds up their response. Body paragraph, details of the request. This is where you go into more detail about what you're asking for. For planning and review purposes, I would appreciate a detailed report that includes the current market value of all holdings, asset allocation, recent performance metrics, and any recent transactions or changes. If available, I would also like to receive any relevant insights or recommendations based on recent market trends. Let's unpack this. You're not just asking for a summary, you're requesting specifics. Things like the market value of your assets, how your investments are allocated, how they've been performing, and any recent activity in your account. You're also inviting your advisor to provide insights or recommendations, which shows that you're open to guidance. This is a smart move. It shows engagement and can lead to more personalized service. Paragraph for verification and preferred method. Next, we add a short but important paragraph about logistics. Please let me know if additional verification or documentation is required to process this request. I would prefer to receive the summary via email, mail, secure client portal, but I'm also open to scheduling a meeting if a discussion would be more appropriate. This part demonstrates that you're cooperative and willing to take steps to make the process smooth. You also indicate how you'd like to receive the summary, whether that's by email, regular mail, or a secure portal. Offering flexibility, like suggesting a meeting, is always a good touch and keeps the line of communication open. Closing paragraph. appreciation and anticipation. This is where you end the letter on a polite and appreciative note. Thank you for your continued support and assistance. I look forward to your response. Always express thanks. Even though you're making a request, it's important to show gratitude. This reinforces a positive relationship with your advisor. And by saying, "I look forward to your response," you're signaling that you expect a reply, which encourages them to follow up. Closing signature. Now we wrap it up with a formal closing. Sincerely, your full name. Signature, if submitting a hard copy. Sincerely is a classic and professional way to end. And if you're sending this as a printed letter, be sure to include your handwritten signature above your typed name. For emails or digital submissions, your typed name alone is usually fine. And that's the full breakdown of the request for investment portfolio summary letter. Every section in this format serves a clear purpose, from making your identity known and stating your request, to confirming your expectations and offering your appreciation. It's professional, direct, and respectful, exactly what financial institutions expect. If you're planning to send a letter like this, feel free to follow the exact structure we just went over. Stick to the facts, keep your tone professional, and always make it easy for the advisor to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. And hey, if there's a specific type of letter or document you'd like me to cover next, just drop your suggestion in the comments. I love hearing from you and helping you build your professional writing skills, one letter at a time. Until next time, keep practicing and keep writing with purpose. See you in the next video on writing practices.